Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all we have to do, the most important thing, is to enter the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you will do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere in the middle of the screen. But if you've got the buttons, then you will have to find the button with the square probably icon or three bars icon and tap on it, and then you will be transferred to the recents. So let me enter it. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. And if you want to close only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. And it will be closed. All others will be still opened in the background. But if you would like to close all of them, just tap on Clear All. As you can see, we got back to the home page. So let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your NOKIA T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.